just noise, I guess.
Flank right! Watch out! We need backup! Don't shoot him!
I told you 100 times, stop talking like that. You never know who's listening.
What? You wanna know about this world? This used to be a sweet land. Then the diamonds ran out. Now the mercenaries fight each other like hyenas over a corpse. There are two sides. First, there's the APR. These men answer to an ex-military commander, Oliver Tambosa. The man is a fucking chameleon. You won't see his true colors until it's too late. But you're probably asking, what is the APR fighting? They fight the UFLL, a band of mercenaries, led by a man with a dangerously short fuse. Eddie Bantuwe. But there's another one. They call him the Jackal.
Jackal has become a phantom.
I've had the Jekyll is a real supernatural creature.
Burned his own house to the ground. I don't know if he's a lunatic or a visionary.
The Jackal.
The rumor is he's starting his own offensive. It's gone. I mean, completely. The Jack.
Not yet. Here we are. Good. Jace, look at this place. Unbelievable. Paradise. Hey, Nikki, where are we again?
Island's not on the map. Let's hit it. Do some exploring.
And there's our boat.
Yeah! Guys! I'm on a boat!
Where did you find this guy?
Hey, Doug! Check this out. Are those real? You getting this? You recording? Oh, yeah. My man Jason brings the heat.
Hey, put that down! Go now! Go!
Okay, we got it.
We're leaving. Let's go, man. What a dick.
Okay, but this is the last one. Cheers, guys!
Cheers! Hey, Doug, that's what I'm talking about.
Bring the pressure out and tie him up.
It's fucking easy, man. Just fucking pull the fucking trigger.
What do you want from me, man?
Let's go, man. Shoot me.
No, come on, shoot me, man.
This was supposed to be... well, not this. We have a party waiting for you. Awesome.
Guam.
Tishay. Gas. Tupafi.
one.
Chosen by God. I have apostles. I help the blind to see. I save souls. But unlike the chosen one sent before, God will never let you take me.
This world is on the brink.
Don't you understand what we're trying to build?
And now, collapse is upon us. We will take you, willingly or not.
Begin the reaping!
The cult stealing our land, kidnapping our friends. This is our home.
I thought if we could just hang on, Eden's Gate would just go away.
They've been waiting for somebody to kick off their goddamn holy war. You need to build up resistance.
Make no treaty with them! And show them no mercy.